Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos. Okay, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and you can see it selling for a very long time, but it got to this support zone and was unable to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. The market actually bought till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out below, above it, so it started a downtrend. That is why you are seeing this red flag and the red arrows, and of course it started selling right from there. It broke out below this support zone and even gave us more opportunity to sell more. It is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below this particular support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend. But for now, it is still selling, even though this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, and that is why you are seeing the yellow flag, and it has been buying since then. It played around there for a while before breaking out above it to buy, to keep on buying, to give us more profits just buying. Okay, so this is very important. So this is approaching another resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it came to an end this resistance zone, so it started selling right from there. So for now, this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check out volatility 75 right away. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend right from this support zone, and it kept on going up, even though there are major pullback in between, but it still went up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. So it is selling at the moment, but we need to watch out for this trend section. Okay, so if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so we need to take note of every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis, and of course practice the strategy very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.